Hello third year, welcome to the topic of completing the square. We're going to start with a reminder of how to multiply at double up brackets like this. So we've got x plus 3 squared, we're going to do x plus 3 times x plus 3. So we've got x times x plus 3 and 3 times x plus 3. So it's going to give us x times x, which is x squared, x times 3, which is 3x, 3 times x, which is 3x, and 3 3s are 9. When we simplify that, we'll get x squared add 6x add 9. What we can do, what I often do, is I teach pupils to do, well, square the first, so x times x is x squared, square the last, 3 3s are 9, so we've squared 3, got 9, and twice the inner product, there's your x times 3, is 3x, and double it, you're going to get your 6x. So there's a wee shortcut there. You can also look at a little picture of that. Let's look at a picture of that in the grid. X times 3 and x times 3. We've got x times 3 on the horizontal there and on the vertical. So x times x is x squared. X times 3, 3x. 3 times x is 3x as well, and 3 3s are 9. So we've got what we wanted, x squared. Add those two 3x's together and we'll get 6x, add 9. Now there's another picture you can look at of this which will become important when we are completing the square. So look at that picture on the right hand side. We've got x and 3 on the horizontal and x and 3 on the vertical as well. And when we fill that in, we'll get the same thing. X times x is x squared. 3x's. We've got that twice, and then we've got 9 in the bottom right. And you're making a square, and later on we'll complete that square. So there's some cases where it doesn't make a square, obviously. So what I'm going to get you to do on the next slide is to pause the video and try B and C. So you should have paused the video and tried these yourself. If not, do that just now. Okay, so x minus 5 all squared. Well, that's just x minus 5 times itself. So x times x minus 5 will give you x squared minus 5x. Negative 5 times that bracket x minus 5, the second one, will give you negative 5x, add another 25. So in total you've got x squared minus 10x at 25. And we can get that by squaring the first, squaring the last, and twice the inner product, because x squared is just, well, it's x squared down there. And then minus 5 all squared is positive 25. And then x times negative 5 doubled is the negative 10x. And we can look at a picture of that. So I'm going to do that up here. X and negative 5 times x and negative 5. Well, we've got x times x, which is x squared. X times negative 5, negative 5x. I'm sorry, this isn't neater. Negative 5 times x, negative 5x. And negative 5 times negative 5 is positive 25, which gives us what we expect, x squared minus 10x at 25. If you got that, brilliant. If you didn't, I would stop the video and check what you got for 2x plus 7 and that you're happy with that now. Okay, so 2x plus 7 all squared is 2x plus 7 times itself. 2x times 2x is 4x squared. 2x times 7, 14x. 7 times 2x, 14x. 7 7s are 49. Collect all that together, you'll get 4x squared add 28x add 49. And you can get that by squaring the first, squaring the last, and twice the inner product, because 2x squared is 4x squared. 7 squared is your 49. And 2x times 7 would be 14x doubled is your 28x. So in the grid method, do this as neatly as I can, it's hard with this pen. X times 2x plus 7 on the top. 2x plus 7 down the side. 2x times 2x, 4x squared. 2x times 7, 14x. 7 times 2x, 14x, and 7 sevens, 49, which is exactly what we want.